This is replacing the engine air filter on a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Very simple. Find your filter, which is right here. There's two tabs right here. Just flick the tabs open. One there. One there. Pull the filter up. Once you pull the filter up, you'll see here's your air filter. Make sure you just pull it out of those two tabs in the back. So once you open up these two tabs here, you just want to kind of pull it forward towards you. And very simply just replace with your new filter. You want to put this side facing up. You want this extra rim up here to be up top. That's what kind of keeps the filter in place on those edges right there. Once the new filter's in, again, you just want to make sure that you latch this back on these two pieces back here. You want to get that in there. Once that piece latches in there, you're good to go. And just push these latches back up. Once those latches are back in, you're good to go. And that's how you change the engine air filter. 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Do yourself a favor, save yourself $100-something that they charge you. I got the OEM filter for maybe 25 bucks, I think, online, but you can even get aftermarket for like 10 bucks. And the dealership by me charges $119.99 plus tax. So do yourself a favor, save yourself some money. It's a really simple process. Same thing for the cabin air filter. You could change these filters so easy in a couple minutes yourself and save yourself a couple $100 a year doing it.